Hey, Gabriel, what are we gonna do today?
Cars down the stairs.
We're gonna race cars down the stairs. Yeah, we're gonna see which one goes the fastest. You're gonna be the orange car? Let's introduce the cars today. What are the cars? There we go. Line them up. Line them up. There we go. There's an orange car, a red car, and a blue car.
1, 2, 3.
3 cars. We're gonna see which one goes the fastest.
This one.
You think? Line them up. When I say go, we're gonna race them down the stairs.
1, 2, 3, go.
On your marks, get set, go! Wow, there goes the red one. Wow, there goes the blue one. Who won?
Watch that again in slow motion.
There's the orange one on his side. Oh, the red one's on his side. Oh, and the blue one is in the corner. The blue one won. He went the furthest. That's silly. Oh. Coogie, go. Sorry, Coogie. Let's try it again. Here. Okay. All right, let's do it. Come on. Okay. Hi, Coogie.
Coogie's back for round 2.
We got 3? Okay, gonna do 3 at the same time. Okay, on your marks. Get set. Go! Wow! 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 Oh! Yay! Blue car's a winner! Yay! It's a red car! And the green car. There they are. All right, go take them up.
Green car.
And the orange car. Go take them up. Okay, put them on the edge.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, 3 cars are all ready? And your marks? Go! Let's go! Whoa! Orange car, red car, blue car! Oh my goodness! Oh, there's the blue car. He's the slowest today. There's the red car. And oh my goodness, look at where the orange car landed. He landed the furthest. Yay! Today the orange car gets 1 point. Blue car has 1 point. Come on down and get him. So we got the orange car won today, this time. And the blue one won last time. So we have 1 point for
And
orange.
2 points for blue.
All right, you think the red one's gonna win this time? All right. On your marks. Go! Woo! Oh, blue car! You did really bad this time, blue car. You only made it halfway down the stairs. Oh, where's the red one? There's the red one. Oh, Sandy. The red one. And where's the orange one go? Oh, wait a minute. I think the orange car won. Yeah, he's a little further. See, look. He's a little further than the red car. So the orange car's the winner. All right.
So blue car has 2 points, red car has 0 points, and orange car has 2 points.
Oh. All right, line them up. Do you think the red car's gonna win? Okay. Wait, hold on. Woo! Woohoo! Red one, you jumped the gun.
He won.
Dear red one, you jumped the gun. You're not supposed to go yet.
He won.
Oh my goodness, go back up. All right, let's do it again. The other guys didn't even get a chance yet. All right, let's see. Go! Woohoo! Oh, blue car, man, you're not doing so good lately. What's up with you, blue car? You're not doing so good. You got the blue car. Let's see who won. Oh, we got red car here.
He won.
No. Whoa, wait, look. Orange car's further. Orange car made it over here. Oh my goodness. Orange car.
He won.
Sandy? Sandy declares orange car is the winner. All right.
Yeah, I did red card. I was winning.
Well, what's the winner going to get? How about an egg surprise?
Yeah.
Yeah, the winner will get an egg surprise.
Yeah, I'm winning Christmas one.
Yeah, we have an egg surprise upstairs. Who's going to win?
Last round. Let's see who's going to win that egg surprise.
Sandy, I'd watch out if I were you. All right, line them up. Wait 1 second, Gaby. I want to get a good picture. All right, line them. On your marks.
This is not fun.
Get set.
Oh, look at this. We got
Here's
the
orange one.
blue and red.
Didn't do so good. Blue one.
Looks like red is the winner. Red finally got a point. But that means that orange won overall. Congratulations, orange. You are the winner. Yay! Orange is the winner.
Look, the egg surprise went down the stairs.
Right.
There's the egg surprise. Come over here. Let's come here. Stand here against the wall. Let's see what's inside.
Not now.
Yes, now.
If it's a down, get the card and don't crack it.
Okay, we're gonna have our one last race. We're gonna have the tiebreaker. Okay, we have the blue car, orange car. Oh, we have an extra car in there. And what is that in your hands?
Exercise.
That's gonna be the egg surprise at the end.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's sweet.
Wow.
Ready, set?
Wow, what is it? Show everybody. Wow, Finding Nemo candies, jelly beans, and heart candies. Lovely. Yay.
Please subscribe to our channel, Gaby Monster. Bye.